Well, good afternoon YouTube. If you ever wondered what storm chasing's like in the UK, with minimal gear and just a car and two mad idiots rushing about Pembrokeshire, well, Haverford West, that is what you call a storm cell, and that's what we're chasing at the minute. It's the first time I've done a vlog, whatever you call it. Oh shit mate, look at that.
Yeah. Tracks over to the right hand side as well. I'd say the main cell's actually just to the left.
Yeah, it is. Now according to weather forecast, we're not supposed to get this till tomorrow.
I think we're going to get it all night, to be honest.
But I said Friday, due to the fact that the weatherman is never right in Pembrokeshire. In Pembrokeshire we can have like 4 seasons in one day.
I think this one down.
Certainly has. That is the sun.
Well,
That is that way. And all we are waiting for is thunder and strikes. We've had thunder already.
well, there's been about 77 lightning strikes before we come out. But we're on a very, very tight time limit.
You see at that point there, that's where the main cell is, and that's where it's being fed straight across.
Wouldn't be surprised if there's some vortexes out at sea, to be honest. Jesus, it's pissed it down.
I'll let this run as quick as much as I can.
It's getting higher.
Well, this is storm chasing Pembrokeshire style.
With a noisy aircon compressor.
Yeah, it has pissed it down here. Look at it.
You notice there's all the campers leaving.
Yeah. That for us is a very, very good sign. We've got all the hallmarks of a bloody good storm here. And that's what we're waiting for, that one.
What's in David's direction, actually? I wonder if I get any more leaks.
Yeah, but I'll have to find out. Good way of doing it. And as you can tell, I'm from Yorkshire, so I'm not a local.
This has been torrential.
Nathan is. Hello, goodbye Mr. Sunshine. This is where it starts.
Got a pound in the head.
That's low. That is fucking, that's dropping like a twat. And I bet you
Mate.
that's out.
If I look back, drains are overflowing.
Yes, nice. Absolutely fucking brilliant.
That is torrential. I think that would have been a case of having to pull over again.
Yeah.
Because all the shit on the road there that's been dragged out.
Yeah. Don't forget, last time we went out when we saw lightning, it was snowing. Oh, look at that bad boy.
Still showing no current like strikes. So I reckon she's regaining momentum and
Like just at the minute it's not very exciting, but I'll pan you across to this side. That looks pretty, doesn't it? Absolutely. There you go. Blue lights.
There's another cell approaching from the right hand side.
Did I see blue lights on Oakley?
That was that.
I see blue lights on.
That was headlights.
Oh.
She's lost energy at the moment.
She's dropping like a swat. I can see it different.
There's a storm cell behind us to the right as well.
Oh, wouldn't it be good if we got hailstone? Fucking hell, oh, wouldn't it be awesome? Bloody hell. Oh, bikers. There you go. It's a bit unusual for them to stop.
Oh yeah, look how much she's fizzled down.
Alright.
I think she's fizzled out, mate.
This is what storm chasing's all about. Some you win, some you lose.
With that luck we normally lose.
We did last time, didn't we?
Yeah. Looks like it's pissing down over there though.
We've done half.
Yeah, hopefully though we'll get more tonight.
Right then. I'll leave it here for now because nothing's happening, that's all. So I'll leave it there. It's goodbye from me.
Lost star from me.
And it's a no star from a Welshman. Toodles all.